Hi, my name is Marina Kuzmenko and I am a founder of the company Petiole. We have created a mobile application Petiole Pro, which is a platform for instant measurements in agriculture. And today I will show you how accurate the measurements of Leaf Greenness Index is with Petiole Pro. Leaf Greenness Index is a component of Petiole Pro and it is a kind of chlorophyll content meter in a smartphone. All you need to remember is that each measurement gives you dark green color index or DGCI of your leaf. At the same time, you can further apply this index to your custom formulas and get other measurements like SPED values or the amount of nitrogen to be applied for a specific crop on a particular stage of its growth and development. With all this knowledge, let's go to the laboratory and see how accurate the measurement of greenness of a leaf with Petiole Pro is. For this experiment, we have the mobile application in our smartphone. Then we need to choose Leaf Greenness Index among the modules of Petiole Pro. You can see different available options, and one of them allows you to get the Colour Calibration Pad. This is an important accessory of Petiole Pro, and you will see it in action today. Also, you can get more information about the Colour Calibration Pad by pressing the button Learn More. After you are ready to continue, you need to press the button Measure and allow you to use the camera and file storage for the correct work of Petiole Pro. After the permission is given, we can start the measurement. First of all, we need to place the Colour Calibration Pad in front of the camera. What is important? It has to stay within the sight of the camera all the time. To activate its work, we need to press QA button on the left-hand side of the screen. This is a button which has the checkboard picture on it. Then we can place the green object. We purposefully use a card with a specific color because we have already known the value of this color and calculated its dark green color index manually. We need to save the measurement, and in our calculation its value is 0.60, but Petiole Pro measurement is 0.59. This means that the accuracy of measurement with Petiole Pro is 98.3%. Also, we have another card which has the dark green color index almost 0.78, and if we will place this card in front of Petiole Pro and save the measurement, it calculates the value almost 0.79, which is accurate up to 98.7%. Then, if we finish the session, we can see the number of chlorophyll content measurements, the average value, and also can check each of the color measurements in a list. Finally, we can make a PDF file for sharing it with our colleagues. As you can see, Leaf Greenness Index is not just a value from nowhere with no reference. Our module to calculate dark green color index is a powerful tool which can save your time and help with defining nitrogen deficiency in your crops and plants by checking the level of chlorophyll and greenness in a leaf. In our next videos, I will continue to explain to you how to use Petiole Pro in the most efficient manner. For example, we will answer the question, does the light impact on the greenness measurement? Or, for example, the question, can you get the correct dark green color index without a color calibration pad? And also the hottest question probably, how to instantly calculate SPED values based on the measurements of dark green color index captured by Petiole Pro. Thank you for your interest and see you soon. Bye!